లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి మీడియా ఎఫెక్ట్స్ యాప్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ప్రీతి కొంగన. నేను కొంచెం తెలుగు తెలుసు. My heartfelt gratitude to all of you and much love and respect all of you present out here. Thank you everyone. Thank you making me a part of this stage, making me a part of this huge, the largest Tollywood industry. From Jollywood, my small industry from Assam, Guwahati. In Assam, I work as an actor. From Jollywood to this largest Tollywood, it has been a wonderful yet thrilling experience and journey. And my heartfelt thank you and gratitude to Samudra sir, Ravi Anna, and all of you, sir, sharing this stage and sharing the screen space all with you legends. It's such a privilege and I feel honored. Thank you everyone for welcoming me here, making me a small part of this, and thank you everyone. Please bless me, bless us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Andaraki namaskaram. My name is Ravi Janghu. Like some say Ravi J, Ravi Jugnu, Ravi Junjun. I know it's quite difficult. So, thank you. First of all, I like to say thanks each and everybody who's present here. Thanks to our most senior actor, Sudhakar sir, Suman sir. I'm a big fan of yours, sir, from childhood. Thanks to Samudra Garu, producers Garu, Ravi Garu, Shobarani ma'am, thank you. Rajesh ji, thank you. I'm already working as an actor in couple of industry like Hindi, Assamese, Punjabi and Haryanvi. But as an actor, whenever I watch South films, तो एक अंदर का जो एक एक्टर होता है वो ऐसे ऐसे बाहर निकल के आता था कि यार will I get chance to work in this industry? Will I be part of this industry someday? And every day I used to sow this dream. And a wise man said once that जब आप पूरी शिद्दत से किसी चीज़ को चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात आपको चीज़ें दे देती है. And that's happened to me. Thank you for welcoming me here. And Varadaraj Govindam is just not a film for me, sir. This is more than that. In this age, I got to know what is Bhagavad Gita and what the value of Bhagavad Gita. Or I got to know that why South films has a more success number than any other industry. I got to know after like one day shoot, when I saw Samudra sir in this age, like 15 hours, 16 hours, उनका energy down ही नहीं होता है. From morning to midnight, he just running and running and running. And I was so surprised and I got to know कि these people, they don't make film on set. They make film 24/7 in the head. For them, satisfaction is cinema. And seriously, I was like so happy and I just thanks to God one day and my dad that yes, I'm having some blessings. Otherwise, there are lots of actors from North. They work in South industry, but most of them or all of them get chance as a negative lead or that kind of character. But I'm blessed that I'm doing films here as an hero, which is not less than a dream for me. So thank you so much each and everybody. Special thanks to Samudra Anna. ये विश्वास आपने जो मुझ पे दिखाया, I was like very nervous कि I don't know मतलब I'll be able to do it or not. But as you all people said कि you've done a good, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि yes, I have done a little bit of goodness. So again, thank you so much. Thanks the media. Thank you everybody. Maybe I don't know the name because I'm new in this world, in this industry. But yes, from my side, just I salute to you. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. And thank you so much. Jai Sri Krishna.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much, and you've done a fantastic job and good luck. Long way to go.
Thank
so
you,
looking
ma'am.
forward.
Thank you.
Thank you. And now, నిజంగా ఇందాక ఎవరో చెప్పారు సముద్ర గారి టైటిల్స్ నిజంగా సూపర్ హిట్ అనమాట సినిమా. ఓకే, రవి వాంటెడ్ టు యాడ్ సంథింగ్.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forget at one line. Thank you, Preeti ji, for your unconditional support from day one to till here. She's just amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.